Hi everyone, my name is Beck. I'm your ELA for this unit, Imagining the World Through Arts. I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. I am currently doing a whole lot of emergency teaching in schools around my area. So I work on Thursdays and Fridays every term. I'm currently on maternity leave, about to go back to work next year on a more permanent basis. I have two children. Their names are Isabella and Eve, and Isabella is in foundation at school, and Eve is in 4-year-old kinder. And I have to say, we love the arts. As a family, my husband loves music. He's very musical. My girls love anything to do with painting or making and doing and putting things together, a bit of dramatic play. So we are really immersed in the arts in our home. I have 3 chickens. Their names are Tinkerbell, Princess Leia, and I've gone blank. Tinkerbell, Princess Leia, and Clara. Sorry, my children named them. What else about me? So, I love coffee. Really love coffee. Like, I'm a coffee snob. Won't drink instant, like good coffee, roast my own beans. And I love going for a run. I enjoy stretching myself and pushing myself and exploring the spaces around me. So that's a little bit about me. I'd love to hear this week something about you guys. What do you enjoy doing? Do you have kids? Are you doing other units? How long have you been doing this course for? And do you have any experience in the arts? I'd love as well to know, does the arts scare you? I ask this because I've done this unit twice before, and every time I ask my students this question, I always have a few people who are like, I do not have a creative brain in my body. And I hope that this unit really challenges that notion within you that says you are not creative. Because I believe that everyone is creative. Everyone can be creative. It's just about how you view it. So really looking forward to getting to know each of you this teaching period. I've only got one group, so it's just you guys, that's it. And I will chat to you more later in the week. Have a great week, and I really hope that you enjoy this unit and the next 12 weeks. I'm here to support you, to challenge you, to help you grow in your knowledge of how the creative arts works in both a primary school setting and an early years setting. On that, I am primary school trained, so I love primary school. I love the early years, in particular foundation. They've got to be my most favourite year level to teach. And I'm regularly in the classroom, regularly in a range of schools. And so I hope to bring some really great ideas through to you guys as the teaching period continues. Have a great teaching period. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.